Hello guys, welcome back to our channel Finance for Beginners. Today in this video I am going to show you how to download or install XM Trading Point app in your device. XM Trading Point is a mobile forex trading app that allows users to trade in a variety of financial instruments including forex, stocks, commodities and indices. Now moving on to the video, first of all go to your Play Store or App Store. Then search XM Trading Point. There you can see XM Trading Point by Trading Point Group. Tap on it, then press Install. It might take a while to install the app depending upon your internet speed. Once the app has been installed, open XM Trading Point app for a user-friendly platform that offers a variety of features for forex trader. This much for today's video. If you guys find our video helpful, please leave a like and comment. And do not forget to subscribe our channel and hit the bell icon. I'll see you guys again in our next video. Thank you for watching.